And here is the new Aiper SCUBA S1. This is an awesome pool robot cleaner, and I'm about to put this in the pool. Just wanted to show you a couple features. Got a really nice track system to it. Here's the basket, so super easy to take the basket out and clean it and put it back in there. The power button's right in the front. Just close that lid. It guys has this really nice rubber track that's going to be able to hug the walls and go up, run up the walls, run around the floor of the pool, and really clean your pool really, really good. And so right here on the back, I'm going to show you, you undo this port right here, this rubber cap, and that's where you plug it in to charge it. So it's going to run for about 150 minutes until you need to hook it and pull it out of the pool and charge it up to get it cleaning again. But really nice bottom here. Has a lot of features with the roller wheel on the front and then the rubber track again. And right here on the front is where the power button has a really nice blue hook that you can attach right to your net pole and then be able to hook it and pull it up. Okay, so once we turn the power button on, we're going to press and hold that until it comes on. Right now I have the floor selected, but if you press it again, you'll go to walls, also go to an auto. You can also go to an S direction. But once you put it in the pool, it will sink down to the bottom and start cleaning your pool. So as you can see right here, I had the walls selected, so it's going to start driving up the pool walls. And it'll get to the top of the water line there, and it'll clean, and then it'll start going back down and do it again in another location. But it comes up and starts cleaning with that rubber wheel, and then it'll start going back down. Now here are some of the features again. When you press the button, you got the floor, you've got the walls, and then the other selections. So we're going to put that back down here. I just changed the setting on it, so I want to clean both the floors and the walls, and it takes just a little bit for it to sink down to the bottom and start. Okay, and this is how you hook it and pull it up. Now, I kind of jerked it around a little bit when I was pulling it, so it kind of came loose. Otherwise, the lid usually stays on, but this is how much junk I collected just in about 20 minutes of using it. So this is the Aiper SCUBA S1. Really has some great features. Really cleans the pool if you got a lot of sediment and junk, leaves, all kinds of stuff like that at the bottom of your pool. This is really going to get the job done. But if you're looking for a great pool robot, can highly recommend definitely pick up one of these.